The new wave of digitization in TV and broadcasting has significantly enhanced consumer experience and expectations. In the face of this change, we realized that producing high-quality set-top boxes at competitive prices and just-in-time delivery are the challenges that the industry is facing.
The use of data technology and dependency on imports significantly raises the cost and reduces the flexibility to offer customized quality products.
Taking forward our commitment to Make in India, all our products are designed, developed and manufactured in our manufacturing plants located in Noida and thus facilitating customers with great ease in service and support. Lakshmi Remote India Private Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of remote controls and set-top boxes in India, which takes pride in delivering the best products in terms of quality and need. The set-top box range varies from free-to-air to cable set-top boxes to reach masses. To further widen its facilities, Lakshmi Remote also manufactures adapters, mobile chargers and audio-video cables, which is just another feather to the crown and providing one-stop solutions to its customers. Our state-of-the-art in-house manufacturing facilities help us in keeping the cost low and allows flexibility in customizing the products. The facilities are always in line with the latest technological development in the world of manufacturing. Our high-precision SMT machines are an example of that belief.
The focus of LRIPL has always been on quality, just-in-time delivery and after-sales support.
The quality of the product starts right from choosing the high-quality ABS granules to making sophisticated cabinets with molding machines, and then to preparing PCBs with highly automated SMT machines. The cabinets and PCBs are then collected to assembly area, which are then properly fitted, tested and finally packed to make the final product. With more than 1,000 skilled workforce and high-tech manufacturing facilities, LRIPL has ability to meet demands for any business need and capable of manufacturing 30,000 set-top boxes in a day without compromising on quality standards. LRIPL has been given ISO 9001-2008 and ISO 9001-2015 certifications for maintaining high-quality standards. The set-top boxes manufactured by LRIPL are BIS approved. Although all types of products are manufactured with high degree of precision, we do not leave anything to chance.
To further delight our customers, we have set up a high-performing after-sales support team to interact and resolve the day-to-day issues faced by the customers to their utmost satisfaction. For us, endeavor towards quality is not just a punchline,
but a constant source of motivation and energy
that takes in the heart of each LRIPL.
We'll be glad to be associated with you. For more details, log on to www.lripl.com.